welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for stopping by once again. So today we're going to be doing a really soft glitter eyeshadow look. I did part 1 on the brows. If you want to see how I achieved those brows, it's up on my channel. Go check it out. And this is part 2. So I'm using my Brown Melanin Makeup eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the first eyeshadow that I pointed out, and I'm gonna apply that's gonna be my crease color, and I'm gonna blend that out with a big fluffy blending brush. Also, if you guys are new here, please drop a comment down below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And okay, you want to be a part of the family, join the family, honey. Okay, we still new, but we gonna get it popping. Okay, it's only up from here. So I went ahead off camera and I applied some of that sweet brown eyeshadow color to the outer corner of my lid, and I am blending that in. I now went in with some of that gold. I believe that's Magic. That's called Magic. And I'm blending that out with a fluffy brush because I don't want it to be too defined. I want it to be nice and diffused. So that's why I'm going in with all fluffy brushes. So later on, I went in with some of that first shadow that I put down, and I'm blending out the two between the Magic and the other colors. Now using my my eyelash glue, the clear eyelash glue, I am gonna take another fluffy brush and I'm gonna apply a little bit of that eyelash glue to my lid, and I am going to lay down my glitters. This glitter, I actually mixed it myself and it wouldn't focus for nothing. I mixed this glitter myself and I was so proud of myself. I feel like I'm gonna, the next venture is gonna be something related with, glitter lashes or whatever. But yeah, it came out so pretty. Alright, so now I am applying this glitter also with a fluffy brush because it helps to disperse the glitter better, so everything is not, in one cluster. It's like they're free and they're spread out. Alright, so now I am going in with my NYX matte eyeliner, and I am gonna take my time and do this thing, baby. And the more I've noticed, the more I practice and do, eyeliner, the easier it gets. Like, this wasn't me a few years ago. Shoot, a few months ago, this wasn't me. And it's just getting better, and I'm so happy. So keep practicing and you'll get what you want eventually. I'm making sure to be extra careful because I don't want to mess it up. I want it to be crisp and clean as is. Yes, just like that, honey. And I'll make whatever more little adjustments, and boom, we done. Okay, so I applied my foundation off camera, and now I'm going in with my concealer, and this is Mahogany from Too Faced, and I love this concealer on myself. It just works phenomenally. And I went in with my Too Faced Cocoa foundation. I also love the Too Faced foundation. I think I said that a billion times in my videos, even though I have only 10, but I said it a ton of times. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna conceal. And I used a brush this time instead of a blender, and the brush works. It worked perfectly. So as I blend that out, I'm taking my time to blend that color out, and yeah. Also, guys, please excuse my chewing. I was editing this video and I'm like, OMG, this is so annoying. Like, it was so annoying. So please, I'm sorry, I apologize. I do apologize for my chewing. My brother gave me gum and like I couldn't help it. I couldn't help it. But yeah. So now we're gonna focus a little on the nose. We're gonna bring that concealer up in the corner of the nose, so when we put that contour later, it's gonna pop. Okay. So I'm just gonna do the other side. Excuse my little brother, guys. Excuse him. So yeah, I'm gonna blend the nose portion. I'm not being too defined because yes, I'm gonna go in with that brush and a little bit of foundation, and I'm gonna contour it and give it the shape that I want. And I'm gonna take that contour all the way up to my brows, even gonna smudge it into the brow a little bit. During this part with when you're using foundation to contour, especially liquid foundation, you need to take a little tiny bit and just build your way up, because you don't want to go too hard and then you have too much. But you can always build it. If you have too little, you can always work your way up. But if you have too much, it's going to be hard to take away that product. It's going to be a lot of work. Yes, some of that contour just went away, but we're gonna put it back because we didn't put a lot. Okay, so here I am going over that again, so I have like a more defined nose. Today I'm not going for a super skinny nose like Michael Jackson nose or anything. I'm just going for like a more, you know, subtle defined nostrils. Here I am patting in the concealer just to make sure it sets. So now I am going to apply my setting powder, and you guys already know I love my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm setting my contour before I apply the setting powder, just to make sure everything is, you know, all good. So yes, I'm actually going in with my MAC Cosmetic NW50 setting powder, and I'm gonna set the bottom half of my face and the forehead, and then I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier to add some highlight under my eyes and my chin area. So now I'm going in with Sweet Brown from the Melanin Fantasy eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna blend some of that eyeshadow underneath the eye, just create like a nice smoky fusion underneath my eyes, so it's gonna look nice and sassy. And for this one, I'm using a more tapered eyeshadow blending brush. I can't remember what name was the name or the number of this brush, but next time I'll let y'all know, or I'll just put it in the description. So yeah, we're basically finished. Now I'm applying my bronzer from Morphe. Now, do y'all see them brows though? I've been doing my brows differently, and like I found, like if I take off a little extra off the tail of my brows, I can lift them a little more, because my brows are really low and weird, but I am able to give myself some more eyelid space by lifting my brows, and like I love it. Yes. Okay, the look is pretty much completed. We put on blush and contour and bronzer and highlighter, and now we're just lining the lips with the MAC Cosmetics chestnut lip liner, and then we're gonna go in with Sephora cream lip stain, and we're gonna blend that out with a brush. And I wasn't too fond of the color that I used, the first lip color, so I went in with a second one, but it still didn't turn out the way I wanted it. So the only thing about this look that I didn't really like that much was the lips, but everything is not going to be perfect, so next time we're going to figure it out. So here I am tapping that cream lip stain from Sephora. I think this is in number 33, and boom, we're done. We're finished. We're finished. We're completed. You made it. You made it this far. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Show this video some love. Share it with your friends, and once again, be your best self.